looks like we had some snow. You can see it was just hitting the side of that pole, the direction it was coming. So, it looks like coming from the southwest direction. Just one side of the pole was plastered with it. And last night it was like snowing a slushy, rainy snow, and then sometime it must have switched to just snow. So very heavy snow down here. And I think the temperature right now is 29 degrees. Today is March 2nd. And according to the 1775 King James Version of the Bible, this would be the second day of the year. So, Happy New Year's for those that go by that version of the Bible. Not a happy California cow right there. Oh, what's the matter, buddy? You not a happy California cow? Bet sure wish you were there, huh?